Our new innovative flange spreader has been designed to deliver market-leading spreading force at a manageable weight for the user. The ACH28T hydraulic spreader and ACIP28T integral spreader tool are essential tools for inspection and maintenance of pressure pipelines. The tools can be purchased individually or as part of a kit including manual hand pump. The individual tool is supplied with safety blocks and dedicated lanyard. It is recommended that two 28-ton tools are used as a pair, giving a total spreading force of 56 tonne. Two tools can be used with a single hydraulic pump. This will actuate the tool simultaneously and maintain that the joint is opened and closed evenly. First, we need to check that all hydraulic connections are correct and the pressure gauge is connected. The safety lanyard can be put in place so the tool does not drop from height. Now we've achieved the desired spreading distance, the safety blocks can be added and the tools can be safely removed by dropping the pressure. We can now do the required inspection of the flange face or change out of any gasket. Should you not wish to use a manual hydraulic pump, we also have available an integral pump version, also capable of delivering 28 tons of spreading force.